Hello, I'm Tanya Vardhan. I'm a third year student pursuing BA Honours in Economics from Shriram College of Commerce. Currently, I am investment banking intern at Insec Solutions. So, talking about whatever I have done during this internship, I would like to start with my training period. So, during my training period, I completed all the modules that were provided by the Insec Solutions. So, I would say that in those modules, a lot of financial topics were covered, and that too in a very detailed and comprehensive manner. For example, we started with the ratio analysis, and then we learned about financial analysis or doing technical analysis of companies. We learned how stock market works, or what are the basic things that we need to know about stock market. We learned about mergers and acquisitions, or private equity and venture capitals. So there were a lot more topics like this that were covered in a very nice manner. Once this was done, I also submitted a lot of assignments during that training period. For example, I submitted an equity research report or an industry analysis report, a report on mergers and acquisitions. In fact, there was a time when I did some live trading of Tata Motors stock, and that was submitted under technical analysis assignment. So I felt that I got a really nice hands-on experience during that time. I got to see that whatever I'm learning in this internship, how I can apply it in real life. So once my training period was done, I started working on the life project where I completed 3 assignments. The first assignment was about doing financial analysis of almost 10 companies. The second assignment consisted of doing financial modeling for almost 8 companies. And for the last assignment, I prepared around 8 reports of mergers and acquisitions and venture capitals. So that's how my life project goes. So apart from this, we also had very regular meetings under which we were supposed to update our managers about the work that we have done, about our progress. And I guess these meetings added a lot to my personality. Like, they improved my communications a lot, really well. And also during the internship, I have presented almost 3 presentations, which definitely improved my presentation skills. At the end, I would like to talk about the video presentations that we had regularly. So every day we were provided with a video presentation topic, and I did research on that topic and submitted my videos on regular basis. So this is what I have done during the internship. What I feel is that these 2 months were a great learning experience for me. Not just that, I feel that this internship provided me an excellent platform for not just increasing my knowledge or enhancing it, but also adding on a lot to my personality as well. So I would like to thank Insec Solutions for providing me this opportunity. Of course, Mr. Sai Shetty sir, because he was the one under whose guidance I completed this internship, and all of my managers who were so supportive throughout. So thank you so much for this opportunity.